Hey, what's up? This is JT with Kick Print, and we are here in our Indianapolis print facility. And today we're going to be printing some discharge prints with a retro design kick print. Unlike this shirt was printed with traditional screen printing inks, plastisol inks, it has a little bit of a feel to it. That's where Discharge Inks actually removes the dye from the shirt and replaces it with dye that's in the ink, and it has no feel to it once it's washed after the first time. So we're gonna go through this process and show you exactly how it works, and enjoy. This discharge run, and as you can see with discharge ink, as you can see on the print, it actually looks like really dingy, and the reason for that is because the actual ink has not been discharged yet. So whenever this goes through the dryer and it hits its optimal heat, what happens is it discharges the dye, or bleaches it rather, is like a way to think of it, takes the dye out of the shirt. So on this one, this is a black shirt, it's going to take the black dye out of the shirt and replace it with the dye that's being put on the discharge. These inks are really thin and translucent, and then when it comes out of the dryer, it'll have a little bit of pigment dust on the top of it. Once that shirt is washed, there's literally no feeling to the ink because it's literally just the fabric re-dyed. So on some colors, they don't discharge as well. The discharge printing process totally depends on the color of the garment. So here are some that discharge differently than the black shirts did. They discharge beautifully, but like for example, this royal blue is not an ideal color for discharge. And you can see, if you look at the print, how it's not as vibrant, and some of the colors did not discharge quite as good as the black did. Let's take a look at this lighter sport gray color. Some of the colors, you can see the shirt fibers more in the shirt. So this one is not one that, it discharges okay, but not phenomenally like the black or the navy does. And then the last one that we have here is the red. You can actually see how the text on the shirt actually looks a little pink, and that's because the red dye in the shirt did not discharge as well as it could have. So some garments don't discharge. If you're thinking about doing a discharge order with Kick Print, maybe reach out to our customer support, info@kickprint.com, and just let's see if that garment color will actually discharge well before you place an order with a discharge order using discharge inks.